Hi, hello everyone. Hello doctor. Welcome to my mini project presentation. My project is lettuce planting. My name is Chen Jiayi, matric number 204723. So this is my poster of the project. You can see how's the planting grown and the difficulties I've encountered and the knowledge I've learned. Before we have a look at this poster, I also want to share with you some another video I recorded about what I've prepared for the planting at very first. Let's have a look. Hi, welcome to my video. I'm going to grow lettuce. There are some materials and tools will be used. The first one, I buy one letter seeds on the internet online, and this one, the big purple one, that's the planting pot, which is the container to put the soil. And this is the soil. Actually, it is called coconut brick because it is made of crushed coconut fiber. When you soak it in water, it expands and became soil for planting. And this one is fertilizer. It helps increase the fertility of the soil. And the last one, this is the tool I use to tend the soil. Okay, so now I will explain the poster. You can see in week 1, this is just a seed. I buried the seed in the soil, placed the planting basin in the sun, and watered it. The seed was covered with about 3 centimeters of soil. Okay, so in week 2, at germination. Germination begins on the 4th day actually, and the picture shows the height of seedling until the 2nd week, like this. Okay, so in week 3, it's grown up. In this week, the seedling grown at a high speed, and there are more seedlings. I'm very surprised about that and very glad to see that. So now we turn to week 5 to 6. You can see obviously it grow bigger. The seedlings are growing taller and the leaves are growing, but the growth speed is not as fast as the previous 2 weeks. The specific situation is that after 3 weeks, its height is twice that of the original. Okay, so let's turn to week 7 to 8. That's grown luxuriantly. You can see the leaves begin to flourish, but at the same time, many dead leaves appeared. In order to make high-quality seedling absorb more nutrients in the soil, they are transplanted to separate areas. Yes, it's really very efficient. Okay, so at last in the week 10 to week 12, that's a mature lettuce. During these 3 weeks, after constantly watering, sunshine, and fertilization, the lettuce seedlings transplanted independently grow and expanded continuously until they could be harvested. So next, I've concluded the difficulties I've encountered and the relatively knowledge I've learned. So let's take a look at difficulties first. So I have to say, when I first planted the seed in the soil, my cat was so curious and want to destroy it. You can see, and she is here. Okay. So the knowledge I've learned is Planting pots should be placed out of reach of small pets at home, and at the same time, sufficient sunshine should be ensured as well. Okay, so next, it rained heavily in the third week. Because I forgot to put it indoors, the seedling was over irrigated. Oh, that's so terrible. So you should know the weather in advance and remember to transfer plants indoors in case of extreme weather. Okay, third, in the fifth week, I found that the roots of some seedlings was exposed to the soil, which would lead to the death of seedlings. Oh my god. So when it is found that the roots of seedlings are exposed to the soil, and that's a very horrible situation. It is necessary to take remedial measures in time and bury them into the soil again manually. Yeah. And next, in the eighth week, many dead leaves appeared in the planting pots, which affected the growth of high quality seedlings. So, if you found that situation, don't plant too much seeds in the same soil. When necessary, select high quality seedlings and transplant them to separate areas to ensure that they can absorb enough soil nutrients. That's very important, I think. The nutrients is very important. So finally, from the 10th week to the 11th week, the seedlings almost stopped growing due to a lack of nutrients. So I use fertilization. Fertilization is an effective solution to help seedlings mature quickly when they stop growing for a long time. Yeah, so this is all about my mini project presentation. Thank you for watching.